This is Laszlo.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Do you mind if I join? What are you up to today? I don't really do this often. Do you have a guide to show you around? You seem very officey. Can I give you a hug?
Okay, Laszlo. So how was today?
Yeah. Today was good. So I'm Laszlo, I'm 29 and I work as an accountant in the city of London. Probably I'm bothering them that they already, they're better off without me talking with them.
Any last word before we start?
Good luck. Hi, sorry, I was just walking by and I see you look quite cute, so just wanted to say hi to you. Hi, so what is your name? Laszlo, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Don't worry, I don't want to sell you anything or anything. It's just like, yeah. But your accent is, are you from the US maybe or?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Okay, that's very nice and sunny.
What about you?
Well, I'm originally from Budapest, so but.
From Budapest. Oh yeah, I was in Budapest for Ziget.
Oh, for Siget Festival.
Yeah.
Okay, how did you find it?
It was fun. It was really fun.
So, what do you do in London?
I just got here a few days ago. I just moved here from New Zealand.
Oh, okay, that's really good.
What about you?
Well, I live here for over 6 years now, so I work in the city.
What do you do for work?
So I'm an accountant.
Yeah, I was working in tech back in New Zealand.
Okay, that's really good actually. I wanted to get into more a creative field of work myself. I mean, what I would recommend to you, honestly, there are a lot of meetup apps.
So this is very useful because I was like, I
Absolutely.
wanted to do that.
Would you like to, I don't know, have a coffee anytime? Maybe, I don't know if you...
Sure.
Okay. So do you have an Instagram or a phone number? Okay, if you can type it in, please. So what do you do in Saturday, Sunday? I don't know.
My cousin's wedding this weekend.
Anyway, I will head on, and can I give you a hug? Do you do hugs?
Sure.
Okay. Very nice to. Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. So it wasn't scary, so that's good. I think just the thing is her vibe was whatever, she didn't. I don't know. I mean, obviously, I tried to.
Relax.
Yeah. Sorry.
Something I noticed, it was a lot of exchange of information.
Yeah.
Try to joke with people. Try to make fun of them. You're talking to a human being. It's not just a collection of facts.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and then did you try to when you asked her what are you doing this weekend? Were you trying to set up the date?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I think you want to chill out.
Okay.
I don't even know what I'm doing Saturday. You don't need to
Oh, okay.
Because that's how it feels. That's how it feels.
Where are you gonna go? You're gonna go home.
Hi, sorry. Do you mind if I join? Or?
Go for it. I'm just about to leave anyway.
Oh, okay, I see. So how are you feeling today?
I'm good.
Good. Yeah, I was just walking by and I seen you and you're quite cute, so just wanted to say hi to you.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So are you working around here? Is this your lunch break or?
It is.
Okay, are you in the Royal Opera?
No.
Is it?
I don't work there. That would be cool though.
Okay, so what do you do?
I work in what about you?
Well, I work in the city, so I'm an
Nice.
accountant. So
Cool. Your day off.
Yes. Today, yeah. I just flew in yesterday, so I was on a vacay, just chilling a little bit, and wanted to walk around there. I'm waiting for my friend, and then we will go for maybe another coffee or sushi or whatever. So.
Cool.
Enjoy.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
See you later.
Oh, okay. Well, nice to meet you. Bye. So she wasn't really happy about me sitting down with her. It seems like she was.
Don't take things so personally. Okay? So it is lunch break, right?
Yeah,
She's
yes.
taking her lunch.
Yeah.
She probably do have to go back to work. Right? The fact that she's saying that she's about to leave has nothing to do with you. She was about to leave whether or not you were going to sit with her.
That's true.
Okay?
That's
Don't victimize yourself. You're not the center of the universe. It's not,
I know.
Not everything revolves around you. Always assume the best. Even
Okay.
if sometimes you'll be wrong, many times you'll be right.
Okay. Sorry, excuse me. How are you feeling today?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Good. Just waiting for a friend. We will grab a coffee and walk around a little bit.
Oh, nice.
So, are you from around here?
Yes, I am actually. I live in.
So, are you working today or
Yeah,
just?
I am. I've actually got
a lot to do. Sorry, I'm being a tiny bit rude.
Oh, okay, no worries, don't worry. I'm just, having a day off today, and that's why my friend, he's from France, and I'm going to sort of show him around a little bit and all
Around
of that.
the garden.
Yeah. What do you do? Like you seem very officey, like
I actually work for
Yeah, that's really nice. Like I used
You
to.
do.
So I don't know. Would you like to grab a coffee one of these days? I don't know. Maybe next week.
do you know what? Like I would, but like I honestly like if it's like to get to know each other, I've just like broken up with my boyfriend.
Oh,
so
I see.
I'm not really like looking for anyone now. It's kind of a bit of
I see.
a rough patch for me. Sorry.
Okay,
If you
no
asked me in
worries.
2 months, I probably would have said something different.
Oh,
but-
maybe we see each other in 2 months.
Yeah,
and
sorry about that. I
anyway.
hope you have a lovely time with your friend.
Of course. Enjoy your day and
Thank you.
yeah, thank you. Bye bye. I think the start was really good, and then it sort of she lost interest. Like,
The main feedback I have is you never told her like she was pretty.
well, but she knows that for sure.
You're assuming that what matters is the information. What matters
Okay.
is not the information. What matters is how you make people feel. When you give a compliment, what you're communicating is not the words, it's the energy with which you give the compliment. So you should be able to tell the compliment with lightness. Like you think she's hot. You didn't decide to think she's hot. She's just hot. The sky is, well, I was gonna say the sky is
Not today.
the sky
Not
is,
in London,
The
yeah.
sky is grey. We're in London. the sky is grey. This is brown.
yeah.
It's hot. Like
Yeah,
it's not a big
yeah.
deal. Just focus on being genuine.
Hi, sorry. I was just passing by and wanted to say hi. You look very cute.
Oh, thank you.
How is your day going so far?
I'm having an interview, so.
Oh, are you having an interview like now in like 5 minutes?
Yes.
Oh wow, okay, so good luck with that.
Oh, thank
Don't worry, I just want to make you feel really good then. So like, I don't know, like, do you feel nervous or do you feel like you're going to nail it and like, okay, it's going to happen?
Like I'm going to name it.
Okay, good. That's the good
That's the-
positive attitude,
yeah,
you know,
that's
like
the
you.
attitude to go to an interview.
Yeah, you need to go in and just be like, you have to, even if you're not confident, you just need to bullshit that you're confident and like just be like,
Yeah.
here I am and I'm here to conquer and all of that. So, so. Sorry, I don't really do this often, like go up to girls, so I thought most a little bit like,
What is your name?
Laszlo. Great. Where are you from?
From Greece.
Greece. Oh, I love Greece. Yeah, it's I've been there a couple of times, so it's a very good. I'm from Budapest originally.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but I've been living here for a long time. And how long have you been in London? Anyways, look, good luck with your interview. I'm not going to keep you long because I know you're nervous. But would you like to have a coffee sometime, maybe?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So do you have Instagram, WhatsApp? I don't know. What do you use?
Yeah, I use both. So.
Okay. Can I have maybe your WhatsApp rather than?
Yes.
Okay. Good luck for your interview, and I'm sure you're going to nail it. And goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
That was good because when we passed, he was like, wow, and then he was a bit like, that's good that you went for it.
Yeah.
Try to talk slower and almost try to use less words. You were so anxious, you were like, okay, can I get your Instagram or WhatsApp or this, that? Like, just relax, just everything's gonna work out. I would assume that what you really want is the phone number.
Yeah.
So don't just say, okay, I'll get your number or just shoot everything. Like, if she wants to say something different, then she'll say it. You don't need to like give her like a multiple choice question.
Okay.
Just relax.
Yeah. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, I just seen you over there and you look pretty cute. So I wanted to say hi to you.
Thank you.
So how are you feeling today?
I'm good, thank you.
You were looking at the performance?
Yes, I was, yeah.
So what do you think? Does he worth like a quarter or a pound or whatever?
Pardon?
Does he worth like, I don't know, 5 pounds or like, I don't know?
Cash on me. I'm just about to head home, so.
Oh, I see. Are you from London or from outside?
I've just moved to London.
Oh, really? Okay. So you're new to London. Okay. So have you do you have a guide to show you around maybe or?
I do, yes.
Okay.
Just about to go see it.
I see. Okay. Would you maybe like to have a coffee one day?
I do
Or?
have a boyfriend.
Oh, okay. Well then, of course, congrats to
Thanks
that.
for the
And-
stopping
okay. No, bye bye. Okay, I was very nervous. Very, very nervous. I think I was literally, I was very intimidated. Yeah. So you can feel that. I'm sure.
I would say my main feedback is talk slower. You use a lot of like filler words, just go slower. No one's rushing. There's no hurry.
Okay. Sorry, hi, excuse me. Sorry, hi, I was just walking by and I seen you and you look very cute, so I wanted to say hi to you. Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm good.
Okay, don't be
You
scared.
like drinking?
I am drinking literally soda water.
Oh, okay.
So don't worry, I'm not like boozing around here or you know. Yeah. So what are you up to today?
I just finished a job interview.
Oh, okay. How did it go?
I don't know. Hope it's good.
Okay. Well, a lot of people having job interviews today. Was walking with a friend and she also went for a job interview, and now I'm meeting another friend and you know. So where are you from? I don't know. I will obviously won't keep you for long, but would you like to have a coffee sometime, maybe, or?
Because I have a boyfriend. So
Oh, I see. I see. Okay, then I will leave you and
Yeah, thank you.
enjoy your day.
Yeah,
Of course, thank you. Bye bye. I didn't feel so good. I think she was intimidated. She seemed a little bit scared. Maybe I didn't.
Then you said,
know.
"Don't be scared,"
Yeah.
which is a scary thing to say.
Again, yes. Again,
Like,
yes.
if you say, "Don't be scared," it's already too late. You know, like, you know what I mean? Like it's
I think I just need to think more about how to approach. I think.
actually, I would
Yeah.
say you have to think less about it.
So I need
You have to
to
think less about it.
less about it.
Yeah, like it's just a person. If you see a friend right now, like a friend of yours walks by, and
Yeah.
you're gonna go talk to him, are you
Yeah.
gonna think about what you're gonna say?
Probably not.
You should be in the present moment, you know?
Yeah.
But anyway,
Yeah.
good that you went.
Thank you.
Keep going.
Hi, sorry, excuse me. So I was just like passing by with my friend, and you look really cute. So I wanted to say hi to you.
Thank you. Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks.
Good. Are you coming from work or just shopping or?
No, just out with a friend.
Okay, yeah, the same here. We're just walking around like he's from France, and then we're just I'm showing him the city. So what are your feeling today? Like, did you have a good day so far? Or?
I did, thank you. I'm actually going in for an appointment, so.
Okay,
yeah.
okay. So would you like to maybe I don't know chat another time, have a coffee
I'm
or?
sorry, no.
I see.
But
Okay, no worries.
thank you though.
No
I
worries.
appreciate it.
Okay, have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Bye bye. I don't know. It's like my mind went blank.
Second, I think is, I don't know, each to their own. Some people like to get coffee, some people like to go to park, some people whatever. But I'm just wondering, like, ideally, what would you want to do?
Probably a casual drink. I would say it's
Okay,
better.
so then just say that. If you genuinely prefer to get coffee, then okay. But right now, that's not what's happening. Right now, you're like kind of like making a strategy,
Yes.
and like that's wrong.
Yes.
Be genuine. It's
Okay.
fine. Getting drinks is fine.
Okay.
And say it like it's it's a happy thing, not like maybe.
Okay.
Like,
Don't give up. Things can look scary, but if you try it out, honestly, it's not that bad. Actually, you will feel surprised, how good some things turn out, and keep up the good work, and go out there. If I can do it, everyone can do it. So, I know a lot of people are watching this. I used to be the same, like just from their laptop and say, oh, this guy because of A and B reason may be special, but it's really not the case. So everyone can do it. So.